Hey guys, it's Di, and I have another bag update for you today. So I'll kind of do an update video on what's going on in life, because obviously it's been a little while since I've done some handbag videos. So I will do a check-in video, but today I wanted to share moving into my new handbag, which I just got from Rebecca Minkoff. This is the Meganhobo, and this is a new style that I got during all of the Black Friday and all those kinds of sales. It's a kind of like stiffer handled hobo, so you can see like the handle will stick straight up. So that's kind of different for me. I do like this clasp on here, and of course I love tassels. If you've been watching my handbag videos for a while, you know that. It's got a really cool interior where it's got the big pocket on the inside and also a big pocket here on the back, so you can have easy access to things. And I just wanted to try a little bit of a different style. So I'm going to share moving my things into the Rebecca Minkoff Hobo, Meganhobo today. And I do also have another morning after clutch on its way to me from Rebecca Minkoff that I got during the sale as well. So I'll share that when it gets here. So I have been using the Stressa. I of course love satchel styles, and this style has worked out well for me. I think I will probably get the Damier Ebene version, which is the Rivington. Similar idea to this, it just doesn't have the clasp, which I know I talked a lot about in the last video that I just uploaded. And I did get the question, am I back into LV bags? Not necessarily. I just have been very nostalgic over the past year. Obviously, it's been a really rough year. And I can just do a sit-down chatty video about a lot of that. And a lot of things have changed. And I was just kind of feeling a little vintage and a little nostalgic. So I have gotten a couple bags over the past year that are a little vintagey, just kind of comfort bags, to be honest. And this is one of them. So I've been using this one, but then as the weather's cooled off here in Alabama, we are in Alabama now, by the way, too. And so as the weather's kind of cooled off, I decided to go to a little bit different style handbag. So I got this for that, just to try something new. So a lot of this stuff actually doesn't need to get moved over, but I'll share what I am going to move over. So my Diff sunglasses, still using these. This is the Becky style. I still love these style sunglasses. I feel like they just fit my face really well. I still use those. So I am using a kind of like zippy wallet style from Dooney & Bourke. I typically don't like the zippy wallet style like from Louis Vuitton. I usually like the Sarah wallet more than this style, but I wanted this print wallet, and it has stitch on there, which I love. So I have been enjoying using this style and print, you know, because it's what was available in this Disney dogs print. So I got this, and it's got a fun kind of castle and dog print on it. It's got the castle on this side, stitch on this side. So that's kind of fun. What else will we be moving over today? So there's a whole bunch of things that I have in here from when we went to Disney World, which you haven't seen those vlogs that are over on my vlog channel, Be Mommy with Style, that I don't need to move over. But I have used like this little card case that's got Pascal on there and the tower. I have continued to use that for my quick grab and go items. That really works well. I also have this cosmetic case that I like using, and this is I kind of keep like incidentals in here, like lady items, some lip gloss, all those sorts of things. So I will move that over. And then also somewhere down in here, my work lanyard, which I'm working from home right now, so I only need that if I go in. And then of course my keys, we'll want to drop those down into the new handbag because that's what allows my car to start. It's just one of those touchless starts. So I don't want to show my work lanyard because it's got like my picture ID on there and everything, but there is my work lanyard. I'm going to drop that down in there too. This is really about all I need right now, and we are working from home right now, as is, you know, most of the world. So really most of what I need is right here, you know, in my office, and we're really only going out for incidentals and all of that. I do still have this Louis Vuitton Violet card case. This is probably the longest lasting item I have ever used. If you've been watching my videos since back in the early days, I've used this. It still looks in pretty good condition. It does have one little chip in the very there, but otherwise very, very good condition, and I'm still enjoying using that. So this is pretty much what I'm going to be moving into my new handbag, and I'll put everything down inside and kind of show you that and how everything fits. So here is the new Hobo. I really like this part. It's pretty cool. It's got a double snap where it snaps here and then it snaps over. So this is just for like the style on the bag. This clasp here is just for looks. It doesn't actually do anything. All the closures is up here. And then it's just kind of, you know, deep down in there. You can see you can put stuff in that back pocket. But this is my Dooney & Bourke dog's wallet. It's about the same size as like a zippy wallet would be. So you can see it's about the same width as you can just drop right into the bag. And it doesn't take up too much room. I'm going to put my cosmetic down in there. Again, this is about the same size as like a Louis Vuitton Vernis cosmetic or something like that. Here are my sunglasses. I'm just going to tuck those down in the side. And so you can see that I still have a lot of room kind of left over. It's kind of wonky. It kind of falls in on itself. I don't think I've ever had a bag like this, to be honest with you. So it's a very unique bag. Can you see like how this is almost like closing in on itself up here? It's really unique. Like it doesn't have like a super wide opening, and this handle stays up too. Ever had a bag that kind of closes like this or has a handle at the top like this that's kind of just always like upright? So I will let you know what I think. It's going to be an interesting handbag to use for sure. I just wanted to try something a little bit different. It's actually kind of hard to show you down inside. I'm going to try to flip it around here so you can actually see what's down inside, because it's almost like the top kind of narrows down, which makes it a little difficult to show you what's inside. But here is the interior. So you can see that there's still plenty of room after dropping my wallet down in there. I can drop this card case down in there. The Louis Vuitton card case. I've got some Tic Tacs. And also some Buxom lip gloss. And there's a little bit of room left over. If you had like a scarf or some gloves, you know, there's plenty of room down in there to fit something like that. So there is inside the Rebecca Minkoff Meganhobo. So this is going to be a very different style to try. You know, typically I really go for more of like the satchel style that I was using before. But this should be a really interesting bag to use. So I'll be sure to follow up, let you know what I think. Let me know if you have any questions about this Meganhobo. And of course it's in the black leather. It's got a black clasp right here, a black tassel. And they did have a few different other colors, but I went for this one just because it was a nice neutral for the fall and the winter and should be easy to go with everything. So let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.